Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop multiple Chrome processes from running in Task Manager. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll notice there are actually 3 different methods you can use to reduce those multiple processes, and I'll walk you through each one so you can choose what works best for you. Let's start with the first method. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Chrome window where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those dots to open the menu, then select Settings from the drop-down list. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can adjust various features and preferences. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left side panel and click on System. This section controls how Chrome interacts with your computer's resources and background operations. Now you'll see an option that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This feature is often responsible for keeping Chrome processes active even after you've closed the browser. Simply click the toggle button beside it to turn it off, and Chrome will no longer run background processes when closed. Now for the second method, which focuses on extensions. Extensions can significantly increase the number of Chrome processes running simultaneously. Click the 3 dots in the upper right corner again, then hover your mouse over extensions in the menu. From the submenu that appears, click Manage Extensions. This will show you a complete list of all the extensions you currently have installed in Chrome. Each extension typically runs its own process, which adds up quickly. To reduce this, simply click the toggle button next to each extension you want to disable. You don't have to turn them all off, just the ones you don't use regularly or don't need running all the time. Now let's move on to the third method, which involves modifying Chrome's startup properties. Navigate to your desktop and locate the Google Chrome icon. Right-click on the Chrome icon and select More Options from the context menu. Then, click on Properties to open the Properties window. In this window, you'll see a field labeled Target. This field contains the path to Chrome's executable file. Click at the very end of the text in the Target field. Add a single space, and then type 2 hyphens followed by process-per-site. Make sure there's that space before the 2 hyphens. This command tells Chrome to consolidate processes by grouping tabs from the same website together, which significantly reduces the total number of processes. Once you've added this, click Apply at the bottom of the window to save your changes. And that's it! You've now learned 3 effective methods to stop multiple Chrome processes from running in Task Manager. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.